Hi, I'm David Nolan and I'm trying to make a video game. I have basically no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna wing it and see where it takes me. So I made my prototype. It took a little bit longer than I was hoping, but I think that's okay because I'm still trying to learn the engine as much as I am trying to figure out how to make the game. So it's been a really good learning experience trying to figure out how to do everything that I wanted to do and to make what I wanted it to be. Everything took a lot longer than it should have. Every single step along the process has been a problem. Not inherently a problem, but it's been a problem to solve. Something new that I needed to figure out. I needed to go away and research how do I do a particular thing and then figure out how I could implement it and then implement it in Unreal. So it's been quite tricky, but I've built something. It's kind of a game. It's got a loot state and some enemies that you can shoot and some walls that you can build and some turrets you can drop down. It's a functioning game. And I'm genuinely really proud of myself for getting this far. It's been a lot of work, but I think it's a good first step. So the most important question, of course, is it fun? And the answer is sort of. I think it's a bit fun. I think what the prototype so far proves is that there's something in the idea that could be fun. But at the moment it's not fun, and I think that's mostly because it's not balanced correctly. It's wildly unbalanced. To the point where I was able to drop down a few turrets and kill all of the enemies as they spawned, and I could completely go AFK and the game would just play itself. So that's not balanced. Also, the controls aren't great. It's a bit sluggish. I think the world scale is off. It's quite fiddly to place down structures, so I think I should make the world scale bigger. There's not a lot of feedback that you get as a player interacting with the world. So I think the next step that I feel I should take is to refine the prototype. Still working as quickly and efficiently as possible, not trying to write beautiful code. Take what I've got and level it all up. Polish some of the rough edges, try and make the controller system feel more fluid, try and give some feedback. Just make it into something that is more engaging and fun to play, and see if doing some of those things lifts it up or if it still feels a bit awkward. I think that's the next step to figuring out if this is something that's worth pursuing. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take some time, I'm going to sand off the rough edges and see if that makes it more fun, and then I'll get some people to play it and see what they think. So yeah, that's my next step. If you're interested, follow along or don't. It's entirely up to you. And yeah, hopefully see you next time.